happy Sunday. So today's video is all about Sunday resets, guys. We're going to be organizing, refreshing, baking, and all those good stuff. So let's just go ahead and get started. Honestly, guys, that jumping, OMG. But guys, Sundays are usually, a day I bring out to just do a small, kind of light cleaning. But of course, this past weekend, I wasn't able to do my Saturday cleaning. So, of course, it had to roll over to Sunday. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start from the bedroom because as you guys can see, the bedroom is an eyesore at the moment. Actually, the previous night we had kind of a date night or whatever you can call it with the kids. Usually Fridays we always like to kind of relax in our bedroom, watch movies with them and things like that. So of course, you guys know wherever kids are, it can never be the same. So I'm going ahead to clean up the bedroom, arrange the bed, fix up everything. Of course, we have toys. Ace littered his toys all over the bedroom the previous night. So I was just happy with the fact that I was like, you know what, since I'm going to be cleaning, let me just put on my camera. It's a perfect Sunday refresh. So that is basically what I'm doing right here. I'm cleaning up, taking out all the clothes, the laundry. Of course, I had a lot of laundry to do, and as you guys can see, I have a lot of toys too, so I had to clean out and clear out everywhere. And I always like to, of course, clear out, and then so that way I'm able to see the space that I'm cleaning, because I love to dust, I love to vacuum, I love to sweep and all those things. And I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. But I'm just, very, very happy that the kids are finally off from school. I don't know what it is, but over here in New Jersey, the kids, they go off of school late. I know in some states, they usually go off in May, but ours, they usually go off almost towards the end of June. So I'm just so happy. But yeah, guys, I'm going ahead to sweep the hardwood floor. I don't know what it is, but I always love to sweep my hardwood floor with the broom, and then go ahead. I enjoy vacuuming rugs with vacuum, but when it comes to hardwood floors, I don't know what it is, but I just love sweeping my hardwood floors. So I'm basically going ahead to vacuum my rug, and then over here the mirror. Let's not even get to this, guys. You see all the mirrors in my house. If you have kids, please let me know, because my kids are literally driving me crazy. I don't know what it is that they can't just stand on a mirror, look at themselves and leave the mirror. No, they must have to touch the mirror, and most times I always have their fingerprints. I always have dirt on my mirror. It's not even funny. But yeah, guys, I'm also going ahead to wipe down all the console, my nightstand and everything wipeable. And I'm just so excited, because of course, once the room is clean and tidy, I'm gonna go ahead and light on some candle. And you guys know, you guys already know I'm obsessed. You guys know the drill with Dossier. This is not your first time hearing about this brand on my channel. I absolutely love me some Dossier products. Their products are very, very affordable. They deal with scented candles, they deal with perfumes, and one amazing thing about Dossier is the fact that their perfume is literally designer quality, guys. They make designer perfumes, but for a fraction of the price. So this month I received their perfume and also candle. This perfume is called Powdery Tobacco. Absolutely love the smell. How your designer perfume have all those long lasting nice smell. It's just the same thing. Is the only difference is that Dossier cuts out all those packaging costs, all those extra costs they usually just pad up on their their prices, like the packaging and all those things, taxes. But Dossier, it's just they make it so much easier for people to purchase their products. And also I have my coupon code here. You can use Omabelletv 10 to purchase your Dossier products, and of course I'm also going to leave them in my description box. But as you guys can see, we are all done. The bedroom is looking like it's supposed to look. And with the kids home on holiday, guys, I always have to make sure I have snack in the house. Because if I don't, like, best believe 9 out of 10 every single day, these children, they're gonna, mommy, I you know what? It's so hot. I need some popsicle. Mommy, you know what? I need some snack, because they are so used to all those things at school. So in order to prevent anyone annoying me, guys, I always try to make sure I have something baked, in the house, especially on Sunday. Usually, I take out Sunday to bake. Sometimes I actually bake like 2 different things. Sometimes I bake, like now I'm baking banana bread. Sometimes I bake pecan pie. Sometimes I bake cornbread. I always find myself baking because of these kids. So as you guys can see over here, I'm baking. We're going to be baking quickly, some banana bread. One thing I absolutely love about banana bread is it doesn't take much, guys. If you have any like overripe banana in your home, those banana that I don't know for me, I don't know for you guys, but for me, once banana it's not, hard, I don't enjoy, eating them, So if you have all those kind of overripe banana, this is the perfect time to use it for banana bread. And basically, you just need egg, butter, sugar, vanilla extract, baking powder, baking soda, just mix everything. And of course your banana, I'm going to leave the accurate recipe in my description box in case you guys want to try it out. But banana bread, it's always a hit in my home. And of course I love to add some raisin and also some walnuts. Gosh, guys, I wish you can try my banana bread, because it's always actually, I think I've filmed banana bread recipe somewhere on this channel, and I believe I just posted one on my short, so definitely try and check that out. But yeah, I'm just going ahead to I just buttered the pan, and then I added my banana bread, and then I'm just going to toss it into my oven for maybe 50 minutes, at most 60 minutes, and that is, the banana bread is going to be done just like that. While the banana bread is, baking, I'm going to head to the living room, because I need to, like I told you guys, I'm just doing a slight, cleaning, because I wasn't able to do like my major deep cleaning, this Saturday. So I'm just going to quickly just dust off, just arrange the living room, make sure everywhere is nice and neat. And another thing is, you guys know we are in summer, so the windows are always open, and most times, we have dust settling on surfaces. So I'm just going to clean that up. And also my new coffee table actually came with a storage, and I've been like, okay, I'm just I'm gonna put our necessary things in the storage, but I never got around it. You know how sometimes when you're relaxing in your living room, you might need to charge your phone, you might need to moisturize your hand, especially for visitors. You might need a paper towel, you might need a napkin, you might need what is it called, you might need a hand sanitizer. So I'm just putting our basic necessities, like our must-haves, when we're relaxing in the living room. I'm just putting everything in the storage. Like, this coffee table is so cute, and I absolutely love the fact that it came with a storage. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and just finish up with the living room. My Sundays usually just have their own moods. Some Sundays are like, I don't want to be bothered Sundays. Some Sundays are like, okay, I want to clean Sunday. Some Sundays are like, okay, I want to relax Sunday, So yeah, guys, like I said, I have just a little laundry. So I'm just going to toss my laundry inside the washing machine, put in my soap and whatever it is. And of course, guys, I usually also take Sundays to, we play a lot in this house. So I'm gonna be outside with the kids on the deck. We usually love to just relax, if we're not eating or we're grilling or we're just playing, as you guys can see. And of course, me personally, I need this I need this keeping because I'm adding weight. I don't know what it is, guys, but during summer, every single summer, I've noticed it. Like for the past probably 7 years, I've noticed that I add weight during the summer. But can you guys see that auntie like that auntie arm? That my arm, it's not even funny. But yeah, guys, I'm going ahead to also look at that. Oh my god. But anyways, you guys, this is the banana bread. It's all ready to go. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon.